Hi everyone, I just wanted to say bye and I wanted to say thank you for a really great discussion tonight. I apologize for the ending where I got kicked out from Zoom. It does not work well here sometimes, so I apologize for that. Like I said, this is a YouTube video you can watch at the end of the PowerPoint to show you how to submit. Feel free to email me with any questions that you have at all. In your activity, for activity 2, you are going to be using the document that you all created here to reflect on and come up with different solutions or interventions that you can try to support that. You'll notice that I also put the link to that document down here in your discussion forum. So the activity talks about how can these behaviors be managed through disciplinary action or through interventions within your own classroom. What different resources do you have to support that? And you're going to write an individual reflection based on this shared document right here. You can also comment and talk within the discussion forum all about the same issues discussed in this activity. So again, you have two activities. One, introducing the climate and culture of your classroom, and that one you're going to watch this video over here that says lesson video, and you're going to write a brief reflection and annotating that video of what was positive within that classroom, what did you notice, strategies they used to create that positive environment. And the second activity is using this PLC collaboration document to write and reflect on those solutions for managing difficult behaviors. So again, I just wanted to say thank you. I wanted to say it was nice to meet all of you. Thank you to everyone that participated. And I will share with you all of these resources one last time so that you have them for the week. Hand everything in by next Monday. If I send it back to you with a question, please take a minute to fix and send back to me. Have a wonderful week. I wish you all the best with your online learning experience, and message me if you need anything. Take care.